Higalas, and welcome to Joros Highland Camping Ground. Welcome, Higalas. This time I've decided to go camping outside our house because I'm lazy. This is how lazy I am. I managed to force my brother to help me with the tent. Just look at that victory dance. I have well done. I am now finished. I do have an engineer blood in me, so I think the tent is oriented in the wrong position. So let me just correct it. Now open the door to our domain. Yeah!
Masigo.
Ha?
Yes.
Ay.
Japanin ba?
My brother be like while talking. This is the inside of the tent, the dimensions of which I have no idea. If you look up, you can see this beautiful skylight here. Yo, beautiful coconuts, the blue sky, and of course our house. Let me clean this bitch because it has some dust inside. What? You think I didn't know how to use the broom? I'm lazy, not stupid. This is my brother. He stayed up late playing
Wow.
games. That's why he eats breakfast in the afternoon. This is one of the cats here in the house. His name's Chito. Yeah, because he looks like that cartoon thingy in the junk foods. Cheetos. Yeah, that's his face. It's collapsing, and I'm just watching. Tonight, I'm going to sleep in here alone because I hate people. I hate you. This is one of our cats. He's a Persian big bone, I think. He's very shy and dumb. So it's actually time to eat now. It's 11 a.m. So we're going to eat lunch now. Unfortunately, because I'm lazy, my mom cooked the food. So for lunch we have rice and some potato chips. Yeah, I'm weird. Let's go back to our base.
Transferring knowledge of one
Oi. Fast forward, my galas. It is now night time, and this time we're going to be roasting fish. Not just any fish, but tuna fish. Starting right now. We go. Whoopa. So now let us cut the fish. Because we don't have a meat grinder, we are going to basically lacerate this fish by hand.
It is now raining, guys.
Change of plan, guys, because it's raining. Our plan to roast the fish has been denied. So we're just going to fry the fish. So let us start with the lacerating. Content disclaimer: if you're good at cooking, don't bash me. I don't want bashers on my channel. If you're a chef, just skip this part of the video.
Angis. Nag-aral ako nung pagluluto, guys. Nasa tiyan pa lang ako ni mama. Good. That's good in the house, yo. Gamitin natin tong mahiwagang spatula ni SpongeBob. Tunog na kasi, guys. We're done. Yo, may ulam na kami. Maraming kanin, guys. Sureball, natataba na talaga ako dito. Midnight snack po kami sa gabi, guys.
Ayaw, guys.
Yummy. Juicy siya, guys. The brothers. Punta ito. Karno.
This is banana.
A banana. Banana flavor.
Ito pa yung bunso namin na vampira, guys. Tingnan nyo yung ngipin, guys. Kita mo yung ngipin mo. Ito pa yung papa namin, guys. The last man standing. Done.
So guys, because it rained,
Uy, ako sa akin
my tent got wet. This is the mujik that my brother made.
I'm so genius.
I wanted to sleep inside, but because it's really wet,
Yeah. Look, ito na lang katulad.
mission failed. So I'm just going to sleep in my bed.
Nabutan po kami ng brown out, guys. Yung kapatid ko, guys.
Now is belly dumb.
Let's remove this paper bag. Now it's time for marshmallow roasting. Watch, this is how it's done. Yeah. Flip it on the other side. Ooh.
Kayaknya dyan sana.
This is the marshmallow that I bought. They didn't have those perky white big ones. This is what I got, these bear marshmallows, which make it 10 times better. Because I love bear. Because they eat people and I hate people.
Dumb.
This is what it look like. Bear marshmallows. It look like the shape of the marshmallow makes it 10 times more better because of the asymmetric benefits.
Yan guys. Yan, namamaga na po. Yun eh.
Mozzarella. Yum. This is the inside. It's juicy. This is thanks to the bear shape. Yum. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to see more contents like this, subscribe to Joro Silent Vlog. I'm full. Subscribe to Joro Silent, share it with your friends. Bye.